Hey guys, welcome back to the series of HTML. In the previous video we have learned to create some styles for some tags like the text formatting, something like this, and in this video we will learn about the iframes. So let's get started. So the full form of iframe is inline frame. So what it does? An inline frame is used to add one HTML document into another HTML document. That means if I am using the first HTML file and I use the second HTML file to embed in the first HTML file using the iframe, then you can view the whole second HTML file in the first HTML file itself. So the syntax for this is less than iframe src is equal to. So here you need to mention the file name which you need to embed. Let's suppose I am working with tables.html file which I have worked with before, and I also have the file called backgroundstyles.html, and now I want the backgroundstyles.html file to embed in the tables.html. So in the tables.html file I'll add this line less than iframe src is equal to backgroundstyles.html, and I'll close this iframe obviously. So this will include the background style file in the tables.html file, and if you see the output, I got the HTML file as a block. You can change the height and width of the block by giving them in the attribute of the tag. Let's say width is equal to 100% and height is equal to 400, something like that. So the tag will be like this, and if you see the output now, the size got changed. And the next one, the iframe can be used as a target for a link. That means when you click on a link, the page will import the web page into your iframe. For that, I'll take a empty HTML file, and in that I'll write the past iframe tag which we used to import the background styles, right? So in that I'll add the name attribute for this tag. Let's say name is equal to hello, and now I'll add an anchor tag that is less than href that is equal to images.html, and I'll close this, and this will be images in the anchor tag which will be viewed in the web page, and I'll add an attribute called target, and I'll give the value as hello, which is the name of the iframe. So if you see the output, first I got the background style.html file in the iframe, and if I click this hyperlink, I got the images.html file in the iframe block. And now you can also add the style for this iframe tag like borders, colors, etc. Not only adding one web page into another web page, you can also add a YouTube video into your web page using this iframe. So but before that, you need to get the ID of the video, so which you will get from the URL of the video. So this is a basic iframe syntax, and we need the src value, right? So that will be https://www.youtube.com/embed. So this is common for all the YouTube videos. So to import your video into your web page, so after the slash you need to enter your video ID which you will get from the URL of the video. So I have entered the same thing. So I'll add this iframe to my web page, and if you see the output, I got the YouTube video into my web page. So that's about the iframes. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.